Hello, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. The math review we're going to go through. I'll just go through and kind of read them over with you. Then you can work on them, let mom or dad check them. And our chapter 9 test we will do in Think Central on the computer on Thursday. Okay? So give me a second. I'll get to where I need to go. Hope you're having a nice morning, afternoon, whenever it is you're doing your work. Let's get to chapter 9. Almost done with our math book. Okay, so we are on page 461 to 464 in your book. The first one is fill in the blank. One blank is longer than one blank. You want to choose between centimeter and meter, which is longer. It says draw a diagram, write a number sentence using a square for the missing number, then solve. Really, you just need to use the number line. It says Miss Cook has a poster board that's 21 centimeters long. She cut some off. So which way are we going on the number line? To the left or to the right? So start on 21. Go back 8. What does your number sentence look like? 21 minus 8. Good. And then figure out the answer here. This says measure the real object to the nearest centimeter, then measure to the nearest meter. We're not going to do that one. Let's say if I measured the bulletin board in school, it would be roughly 120 centimeters. How many meters would that be? Remember, there's 100 centimeters in a meter. Is that closer to 1 meter or closer to 2 meters? So use my answer, 120, and then you can fill in the meters on this one. Let's erase and move on. No, doesn't want to erase. It's not very nice. Oh, we'll move on to the next page. See if it'll erase now. Erase. Why doesn't it want to erase? Deborah, we don't need you to erase, buddy. We'll leave you right there. Look at number 5. It says measure these with a ruler. How much longer is the straw? Oops. Number 4. The best estimate for a desk. 2 meters. That's 2 of those 100 centimeter sticks, the big brown sticks. 10 meters. 10 meters is pretty far. 50 meters, 100 meters. So we want a desk. Which one of these would go best? This one says use a centimeter ruler. And how much longer is the straw than the string? So you can measure both and subtract. You can figure out how far from here to here. However you want to do that, use your ruler. You can go back and do these after. I'm just kind of reading them through with you. Measure that toothpick. Don't worry about my 120. Measure the paintbrush. This one, don't measure the string. Estimate. If the paper clip is 4, it comes about halfway. How long is the string? It's 4 and another 4, maybe a little bit more. And let's do number 9 and 10. You have to actually write some stuff out. Craft stick is 12 centimeters long. What's the best estimate for the string? So the string is definitely shorter. 6 would be half of 12. 9 would be a few shorter than 12. 11 would be one shorter than 12. So which one of those you think is best and why? Number 10, Mrs. Dillon has 2 posters. The first poster is 75 centimeters long. The second poster is 58 centimeters long. How much longer is the first poster than the second? So you're going to explain how you would solve that and write the answer here, or draw a picture to help you solve that and write the answer here. And then the second part, Mrs. Dillon measures the length of her bulletin board in centimeters and meters. How will the number of centimeters and the number of meters be different? So she measured it in centimeters, her bulletin board, and then meters. Which number is going to be bigger, the centimeter number or the meter number? Think about it. We know there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So when she measures in centimeters, will she have a large number because they're so small? How will that be different when she measures it with a meter stick? Write your answer in a sentence. Pause the video. Use the video to help you read through. Or don't. It's up to you. I know you guys will do great. Let mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, whoever it is that's checking over your work, check it for you. Give yourself a big star. And then we will move into the math test on Thursday. Okay? Nice work, friends. That's the only video for today. So I will talk to you either in a meet at some point, or I'll see you in another video tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.